Welcome to Knowvas Edu. Knowvas Edu is a next-generation digital textbook licensing platform that connects schools directly with publishers, making quality educational content securely available to every student on any device, anywhere. Knowvas Edu transforms the way educational content is delivered, managed, and experienced. Schools can license digital textbooks directly from publishers on a simple per-student per-term basis. Administrators can enroll hundreds or even thousands of students in minutes using a simple CSV. Each student automatically receives a secure Student ID and PIN. Teachers and administrators can assign textbooks to specific classes or departments, ensuring every learner only sees the books relevant to their studies. Knowvas Edu provides powerful analytics that show reading progress, student engagement, class performance, and learners who may need additional support. Every textbook is secured with Knowvas enterprise-grade anti-piracy technology, including encrypted offline reading and controlled device access. The school administrator has enrolled students from the administration dashboard. Each student automatically receives a secure login PIN. Students will use their existing Student ID to access Knowvas Edu. This can be their admission number or any unique identification number assigned by the school. That's it. We are now logged into the Knowvas Edu student dashboard. This student belongs to Greenfield Academy Senior Secondary School 3 and her name is Grace. Grace currently has 12 textbooks assigned to her with an overall reading progress of 8%. You can also see that she has already completed one book. At the top of the dashboard is the currently reading section, allowing students to continue exactly where they left off. Below that are all the textbooks assigned to Grace for the current academic term. Let's open the library here. Students can quickly access books they are currently reading, books they have completed, and newly assigned titles. Knowvas Edu also allows students to switch seamlessly between different content formats, including ebooks and audiobooks. Let's open one of the assigned textbooks. You use this Senior Secondary School 3 Biology textbook as an example. Ebooks are available in two digital formats. I'll open both versions so you can see how each behaves in the novice reader. The available formats are EPUB and PDF, depending on the publisher. Books may be available in either format. Let's begin with the EPUB version. Students can personalize their reading experience by adjusting the font size, changing the reading theme, and configuring other display preferences. The reader also provides quick access to the table of contents. Students can instantly jump to any chapter or quickly locate a specific section within the book. Beyond traditional reading, Knowvas also includes a built-in Read Aloud feature that transforms text into natural-sounding speech.
Revision of intonation pattern. In this unit, we shall revise what you were taught. Intonation applies to full sentences as well as single words, which are used as sentences and as responses to direct and indirect questions such as yes and no.
Students can choose from multiple voice options to suit one's spoken English. This creates a flexible learning experience, allowing students to either read or listen to their textbooks. Let's open a textbook published in PDF format. As you can see, the reading experience is very similar. The table of contents remains accessible, making it easy to jump between chapters whenever it has been properly embedded by the publisher. This is how PDF books are displayed in Edu. Now let's look at another supported content format. Audiobook students can listen to educational content with the built-in audiobook player, making learning more flexible and accessible. Now let's return to the dashboard and open another textbook. We'll continue with the Senior Secondary School 3 Biology textbook. Now it's time to introduce Kora, Knowvas' intelligent AI reading assistant designed to make every reading experience smarter, more engaging, and more interactive. Let's ask Kora for EPUB books with properly structured chapters. Kora automatically recognizes the table of contents and displays every available chapter. To begin learning, simply select a chapter or topic, then type your question or speak naturally to Kora.
Hey Grace, so glad you're diving into nervous coordination. This is one of the most fascinating chapters in biology.
You can choose whether Kora responds with text only or with both text and natural-sounding audio. If audio is enabled, Kora will read the explanation aloud, making learning even more engaging and accessible. Once you've understood the explanation, click Continue Reading to return to exactly where you left off in the textbook. If you'd like to hear the explanation again, simply click Listen to replay Kora's response. When you're satisfied with the answer, click Make Sense to continue your reading journey. If you'd like another perspective or a simpler explanation, select Explain Differently. Kora will generate an alternative explanation while keeping the context of the chapter, helping students understand concepts in the way that works best. Let's ask Kora to explain this concept using a diagram. Simply type Explain with diagram in just a few moments. Kora generates a clear visual illustration alongside a detailed explanation, making complex concepts much easier to understand. Kora also helps reinforce learning through interactive quizzes. Let's answer this question. I selected the correct answer. Let's find out whether Kora simply generates random responses or whether it truly understands the context of the text. I'll ask Kora to fetch additional information from outside this textbook. This time, instead of typing, I'll use voice. Kora, get me more information outside this book.
I totally get the curiosity, Grace, but my job is to keep you grounded in your senior secondary biology book 3. That's what will help you most for SSS 3. Let's keep building on what's here.
Kora recognizes that this request falls outside the scope of the current textbook. Rather than generating unrelated or potentially misleading information, it keeps the learning experience focused on the approved educational content. This ensures students receive reliable, curriculum-aligned assistance while respecting the publisher's content boundaries. Let's explore flashcards. Flashcards help students reinforce key concepts through quick recall exercises, making revision more engaging and effective. Next, let's try a short answer quiz. Students can test their understanding by answering open-ended questions and receiving immediate AI-powered feedback. Now, let's explore the timed quiz, encourage faster thinking, improve exam readiness, and help students assess their understanding under realistic examination conditions. Now let's explore the drag and drop quiz. Students interact directly with the content by matching, organizing, and arranging answers correctly. As you can see, there are many different ways to interact with Core. However, Kora has been intentionally designed to stay focused on the textbook or audiobook currently being studied rather than searching the open internet, or provides contextual assistance based on the licensed educational content, helping students stay focused while ensuring publishers' intellectual property remains protected.